I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day for Friday, December 10th. Hope everybody's having a great week. We got a new level on the SPY yesterday, 469.62. It's really from 2 days ago. Yep, 7.5 million. Really big level, this 470. Everybody is watching that, so we're going to be bullish above all the dark pool at 470. And we're going to be bearish below 466.50 for a retracement trade. Let's head on over to the IWM. We also got a new level on the Russell, 255.73. Definitely the weakest index yesterday. Filling in this gap. Remember we talked about that yesterday in the whisper, right? Are we going to fill this gap in or this gap? And we filled that gap first. So let's see, is it going to go up now and fill that gap, or are we going to test these lows from the beginning of December? So we're going to be bullish above 223 and we're going to be bearish below 220, major price level. Let's head on over to the QQQs. All right, the QQQs have not filled in that gap yet. We're going to be bullish above 396.25 and bearish below 394. We had a lot of sideways action over the past couple of days, especially on the SPY and the Q. So we'll see if it moves this week. If not, definitely next week. So let's head on over to the futures. We'll start with the E-minis. You can see that it came up to the jelly, right? This 200 simple moving average on a 15-minute chart. It's so powerful, which is why you'll see me using this so many times. You'll see me going jelly right here on the Qs, right? 15-minute. It's resistance, which is why it's a target. And most of the time you'll see me, if it's close, going bullish above that, like in the E-minis right now. Bullish above 46.85, bear below 46.60. Let's head on over to the Nasdaq Futures. Bullish above 16,250. Kind of in between the peanut butter, which is the 200 exponential right here, and the jelly. That's our first trade. And we're going to be bearish below 16,150. If we do go below that, we could retrace all the way down to the 50 simple moving average for that Nasdaq. So watch that in the bigger picture. Let's head on over to the oil futures. Here we go. All right, what's oil doing today? We're going to be bullish above 72 today. All right, 72, we will hit this resistance up ahead. Those are my targets, 72.23 and 72.50. Bear below 70.50. Yeah, if we go below this Camarilla, this last red line, there's a drop. So that would be my bear below level. Let's head on over to Bitcoin futures, which we know is going to have a very powerful move soon. It's splashing around since that massive print that we spotted a couple days ago. All right, so we're going to be bullish above 50,200, bear below 47,600. Let's head on over to Oracle, which is having a fantastic morning after earnings yesterday. They love it. And look at that. I cannot believe it just sliced through 100 like butter. Yeah, like nothing. Let's see if it upthrusts there, but just take it 50 cents to 50 cents. There is no resistance in front of us. Yeah, watch the price action. All right, watch the tape. I don't see any big sellers on the book here. I see a buyer at 99.90, but I don't see any. No, nobody. Nobody wants to get ahead of this one. All right, we'll see. Well, I'm going to be bearish below 97.50. If we do go below that, we could see a retracement. All right, let's head on over to Chewy. CHWY also had earnings, and they're not liking their earnings. We're going to be bullish above 52 for a retracement, drop and pop situation, or bear below 50 for a drop and drop lower. Let's head on over to AI. All right, AI getting a pop this morning as well. We're going to be bullish above 39. Yep, seems like there's been resistance right here. All right, so if we could break above that, bear below 37 for a retracement trade. These are just for day trades. All right, AMC made the list this morning. It's been a while. The volume is pretty high this morning, and it's trying to hold on to this bottom trend line. We'll see if she can hold on. It could be a bear flag if it closes below it. We're going to be bullish above 31. I want it to go above person's pivots and bear below 28. Pfizer up next. We've had lots of dark pool activity on it. The recent print was this 900,000 at 51.67. We're going to be bearish below 51.25. There's a trade going down to this 30 simple moving average right around 50 and bullish above 52.50. See which way she wants to go. Let's head on over to American Airlines. All right, American Airlines, we're going to be bullish. Now, this is looking like it could be a great swing trade. All right, I love it above 1875. You know, there's a coast is clear, and we do have this gap here. They kind of did the fake out. So if it could break above 1875, we did have recent dark pool activity, 1789 and 1835. Or we're going to be bearish below 1750. That's below all the prints. So I just love this setup both ways. It could be a day trade today, but if it doesn't move and kind of goes slowly and then breaks above that, it'll be a good swing trade, or below that, it'll be a good swing trade. All right, let's go to Tesla. All right, Tesla starting the day below the 50 simple moving average. Let's see if it can pull itself back up above that. I will only be bullish above 1025, really key level. We have lots of pivots, or bear below 980. If we do go below 980, we could head on down to the next moving average. You know, they go from moving average to moving average. So here, right, came down to the 30, it popped up, couldn't hold the 30, so it came down to the 50, right? It popped up, can't hold the 50. It's most likely going to come down to this one, which is the 90 simple moving average. All right, let's go to Lucid, LCID. This has been amazing. It was a dark pool insights last weekend trade setup, and also it's been on the whisper every single day. The short interest, yeah, we can't short. 200. They actually keep raising this all morning. Yeah, it was 75, went to 100. Now 200,000 shares are shortable. All right, so we're bullish above 38.50. Let's see if it could climb above that 50 simple moving average and bear below 34 for Lucid. All right, let's head on over to crypto Riot. Riot is just below the VWAP, not looking so good, but it is holding the VWAP on the weekly. All right, this is key. You can see we came down to the VWAP how many times on the weekly chart? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's see if we can hold it or not. If we can't, look out below. But we're going to be bullish above 27.50, bear below 26.50. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Friday, December 10th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
Nothing, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.